Sheep, often seen as the quintessential farm animal, have a rich history and an array of fascinating attributes that extend far beyond the common perceptions of them as mere wool providers or pastoral animals. These gentle creatures have been intertwined with human civilization for thousands of years, playing crucial roles not only in agriculture, but also in many cultures around the world. One of the most interesting aspects of sheep is their diversity. With over 1,000 breeds existing globally, sheep come in a wide array of sizes, colors, and wool types. This diversity has been cultivated through selective breeding, as different cultures have tailored sheep breeds to suit various climatic conditions, landscapes, and uses, from wool and meat production to land management. Sheep are known for their wool, which is one of the most versatile and widely used natural fibers in the world. Wool's unique properties, such as its ability to insulate, repel water, and resist flames, make it a valuable resource for clothing, blankets, and numerous other textiles. Remarkably, a single sheep can produce between 2 and 30 pounds of wool annually, depending on the breed. The domestication of sheep is believed to have occurred around 10,000 years ago in Central Asia, making them one of the earliest animals to be domesticated by humans. This long history of domestication has led to a close relationship between sheep and human societies, with sheep featuring prominently in many ancient religions, mythologies, and cultural traditions. Sheep have a unique digestive system. They are ruminants, which means they have a four-chambered stomach that allows them to break down tough plant materials like grasses and leaves. This digestive process, known as rumination, involves regurgitating partially digested food, or cud, and chewing it again to further break it down. Sheep are known for their flocking behavior, a natural defense mechanism against predators. This instinct to stick together and follow a leader makes them easier to manage and herd, a trait that has been exploited in pastoral farming practices for centuries. The vision of sheep is another remarkable feature. They have a very wide field of vision, estimated to be between 270 and 320 degrees, which allows them to see predators from various angles without having to turn their heads. This panoramic vision, however, means that sheep have poor depth perception and may be easily startled by sudden movements or unfamiliar objects. Sheep are more intelligent than they are often given credit for. They have the ability to recognize individual human and sheep faces, and they can remember these faces for years. This recognition ability is thought to be an important aspect of their social structure and communication. The social structure of sheep is quite complex, with hierarchies and friendships that can influence their behavior and well-being. Studies have shown that sheep can form strong bonds with other sheep, which can affect their stress levels and overall health. Lambing season is a critical time for sheep farmers, as it requires careful management to ensure the health and well-being of both ewes and their lambs. The number of lambs born can vary widely depending on the breed, with some breeds known for producing multiple offspring in a single birthing event. Sheep have been used in agriculture not only for their wool and meat, but also for their milk, which is used to make a variety of cheeses around the world, such as Roquefort, Pecorino, and Feta. Sheep milk is highly nutritious, containing higher levels of vitamins A, B, and E, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium than cow's milk. The grazing habits of sheep make them excellent for managing and maintaining landscapes. They can be used for controlling invasive plant species and reducing wildfire risks by consuming dry vegetation. This eco-friendly lawn maintenance practice is known as targeted grazing. The lifespan of sheep varies with breed, management, and environmental conditions, but on average, sheep live between 10 and 12 years. Some breeds, particularly those bred for longevity and hardiness, can live longer. Sheep have a unique ability to adapt to various climates and conditions, from the cold highlands of Scotland to the arid regions of Africa. This adaptability has allowed them to be an integral part of agricultural systems in nearly every part of the world. In many cultures, sheep are symbols of peace, purity, and innocence, often appearing in religious texts and folklore. They are also associated with pastoral life and the idyllic countryside, embodying a sense of tranquility and simplicity. The behavior of sheep can sometimes be unpredictable due to their strong flocking instinct and skittishness. When spooked, a sheep's first instinct is to flee, and the rest of the flock usually follows, often without discernible cause. This can sometimes lead to dangerous situations such as stampedes. Sheep have a significant impact on the environments in which they graze. Overgrazing by sheep can lead to soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, and degradation of land, highlighting the importance of sustainable grazing practices and land management. In addition to their economic and ecological roles, sheep have also been involved in scientific research, including groundbreaking studies in genetics and medicine. Perhaps the most famous sheep in this context is Dolly, the first mammal to be cloned from an adult somatic cell, a breakthrough that occurred in 1996. Sheep farming has deep cultural and historical significance in many regions, contributing to the development of rural communities and economies. Festivals, traditions, and competitions related to sheep and wool, such as shearing competitions and wool festivals, are still popular in many parts of the world, celebrating the enduring relationship between humans and sheep. Despite their common presence in agriculture, sheep are susceptible to a range of diseases and health issues, requiring careful management and veterinary care. This aspect of sheep farming is crucial for the welfare of the animals and the sustainability of sheep farming practices. Sheep communication is not just limited to vocalizations. They also use body language and facial expressions to communicate with each other. Understanding these subtle cues can be important for those who manage and care for sheep, as it can provide insights into the health and well-being of the flock. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.